Hello boys and girls. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a very important addition and subtraction skill. This skill is called regrouping. Let me show you what we're talking about. The addition problem is 18 plus 5. I want you to notice that I've written it three separate ways. First, with umbrellas, in order to show the addition problem very concretely. 18 umbrellas plus 5 umbrellas. The second is 18 plus 5 using numbers showing the ones and the tens column. And then the way that you'd normally see an addition problem, 18 plus 5. Look at step number 1 towards the bottom of the page. First step, like with any addition problem, is to add the ones column. So you add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? 13. So you write the 3 below the addition line. Now here's the issue. The 1 stands for 10 things. It cannot go in the ones column. Only a single-digit number can go in the ones column. So we have to reorganize and regroup. Now, please turn to the next page. In step 2, you're going to carry the 1, which stands for 10, to the tens column. That means you're going to write a little 1 in the tens column. To understand this concretely, notice that the 10 umbrellas have been moved from the ones to the tens column. Now look at step number 3. Step number 3, you're going to add the tens column. 1 plus 1 equals 2. The sum of 18 plus 5 is 23. Now, please turn to the next page and I'll show you the first kind of problems that you're going to have. For reasons of understanding in the beginning, the ones in the tens column will be shown to help illustrate the regrouping process. The first problem is 26 plus 16. What is step number 1? To add the ones column. So you add 6 plus 6. How much is that? 12. So you write the 2 in the ones column. What is step number 2? To carry or regroup the 1 to the tens column, because that 1 stands for 10 things. Make sure you've written a small 1 in the tens column just above the 2. The third step is to add the tens column. So you add the 1 that you've carried plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. The answer is 42. Now look at problem number 2. 26 plus 28. In step number 1, what is it? You add the ones column. 6 plus 8 is 14. So the 4 is written in the ones column. In step 2, you write the little 1 which stands for 10 things in the tens column. What is step number 3? To add the tens column. 1 plus 2 plus 2 equals 5. The answer is 54. Go to problem number 3. 19 plus 16. Step number 1. Add the ones column. 9 plus 6 is 15. So the 5 is written in the ones column, and the 1 is written in the tens column because it stands for 10 things. What is step number 3? To add the tens column. You add 1 that you did from regrouping, plus 1 is 3. The answer is 35. Let's go to the fourth problem. 64 plus 9. What is the first step? To add the ones column. 4 plus 9 equals 13. I've written the 3 in the ones column. What is the second step? To regroup or carry the 1 to the tens column because it stands for 10 things. Now I want you to do step number 3. What you should have done is to add the 1 and the 6 and written a 7 in the tens column. So the answer is 73. If you got it correct, give yourself a hurrah. I am proud of you. You're learning a very important skill. Please complete the exercises on this page, and when you are done, enter your answers on the computer.